We are going to Nami Island. So, magbabalik na naman po tayo sa classes. Babalik na naman po tayo school in a few days. So, yun lang. Mamimiss ko ang bakasyon. Yun talaga. Kayod-kayod lang. Fighting! See you at Nami Island! We're going to the bus station. Ay! Train station. It's getting colder. It's currently 14 degrees out here. So, medyo malamig. Pero, laban. Laban po ang tsinelas. I thought it's still going to be warm outside, but when I saw these clouds, I was a bit skeptical because I was only wearing slippers. And when we got there, I just accepted my fate that my feet will be cold throughout the trip. The Alpaca World was huge. You can also see different kinds of animals here, such as rabbits, deers, owls, and many more. We're heading towards the alpaca playground. This part is when the alpacas go down to the farm at exactly 10 a.m. and we, the visitors, will feed them with free feeds. So make sure to get enough feed so you can be close to them. Take note that you can touch their heads or they will spit on you. They're also not interested in you or in anything that you have. They are only interested in the food. We also say Alpaca iliwa, which means alpaca come here in Korean, so they will come to us. After the show, you can purchase alpaca coins in exchange for 1 cup of alpaca feeds, and 1 alpaca coin cost 1,000 Korean won. It was very ticklish when you were feeding them. They also have this horse-like smell, but it wasn't that bad. Their smell was tolerable. Hindi mo kakain yung isa ang takaw mo. Oo, aras ko. Aray ko, ang takaw niya. Mom. Hello! Hi! 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 At first, we didn't want to purchase any alpaca coins since we already fed them during the show. But we realized that you won't get a proper picture with them without the feeds. The experience of feeding the alpacas.
Lalaway.
Nakakakiliti siya. Pero masaya naman. So we're heading towards Deerland now. So sana may time pa kami to buy souvenirs later. Kasi medyo malaki yung world. Then sabi ng tourist sa amin, wag daw namin ikutin yung buong Alpaca World since ano siya, meron din naman sa Nami Island. Mas maraming wild animals doon. So doon na lang namin titignan yung rabbits. So kaya hindi na kami dadaan doon.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least
We're now here in Nami Island, and even if there's immigration, you don't have to bring your passports here.
it's an awful house.
You need to ride the cruise to get to the island. It was a 3-minute trip and the views were nice.
Right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you. Oh, nothing feels the same without you.
We were allowed to explore the island for I think 1.5 hours, and all I wanted to see are the ostriches.
'Cause nothing feels the same without.
And here is the famous Nami Woods. There were a lot of people and it was so hard to get a decent picture.
The point in dreaming if I lose my voice, the second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now.
We wanted to rent a bike, pero super daming tao. Baka hindi na kami makaabot kasi we're going to rail bike pa after Nami Island. So baka hindi na kami umaabot. Maglalakad-lakad na lang kami at saka maghanap ng souvenir. Dahil nabitin kami kanina sa souvenir shop sa Alpaca. Hindi tuloy nakabili ng alpaca. Hindi nakabili ng alpaca stuffed toy. Sobrang cute pero sobrang mahal. 139,000 Korean won. Mahal. Tapos kaya super busy kasi after ng Chuseok holiday. Ngayon na lang ulit binuksan yung Nami Island. So kaya ngayon lang din kami nag-book Monday. So dahil nga doon. Super busy. Ang hirap mag-take ng picture. Ito souvenir shop. Nakita na namin. So be back.
I've waited for a lifetime.
I super love this souvenir shop. Everything is so pretty. Everything is so cute. I wanted to buy everything.
Without you now, and all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
Now going back.
Without you now.
This is the last stop of our trip today, and this is one of my favorite activities we did. You will be pedaling through the rails with a breathtaking view.
Been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget.
You can experience the Gangchon Rail Park for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I can recommend this activity for the elderly or to those who want to appreciate the nature since you will be passing through different tunnels and the Bukhan River, which is in the northern part of the Han River.
But now I realize you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way.
I also like that they added a twist in every tunnel. They put different kinds of lighting and music and we really enjoyed it.
Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day.
You also have to take extra care in handling your phones when taking pictures and videos since the ride can be bumpy sometimes. The tour guide even told us that there are some gadgets that fell during the ride and they can't do anything about it. So make sure to be extra careful with your phones.
wanna be with you for a long time. Do-ba-do-be-do-do.
For me, this trip was really fun, but it's not something that you want to experience the second time. But for the Alpaca World and Nami Island, I will definitely come back since we didn't really explore it that much. And here's our stopover before we transfer to another train going back. Then here's me having a snack while we wait because yes, I'm always hungry. And that's it for today. We went home super late because of the traffic of almost 4 hours, that's supposedly 2 hours. Tired but happy. Rating the trip 8 out of 10. Though I recommend a DIY trip for Nami Island and Alpaca World to get the most out of it because when we were in Nami, all we did was to find the bike station and get souvenirs and that's it. I wish we stayed longer. See you on the next vlog!